2 days ago, I had the ladder in the back of the truck and I didn't get it set down low enough, and I guess it caught on the cable here for the tongue release, and I broke it. It got pulled and snapped this off. We've been able to move because I can still move the retaining pin in and out by hand, but this snapped off. Okay, so today I visited the Andersen Hitch factory here in Idaho Falls. I will tell you about that later in this video, but I went there to get the new replacement cable to fix the one on the trailer that I broke. This is the cable, and it's going to be a fairly simple repair. So that's what this video is going to be about: repairing the broken pull cable. All right, first step to replacing this cable is to take this which will unscrew here. Now I did loosen it with the pliers, it was a little bit tighter. But this comes out. See, there's the pin that locks on the ball right there that I was hand actuating. Okay, next you're going to come up here with the socket impact. Take 2 screws out that hold the handle on, and the old one is off. Easy peasy. Next, okay, after removing the old one, next step is to take the new one. I start on this end just because I may need to spin the cable, and it's been a little bit persnickety on me. Here, okay, we got the thread started now. My camera person is holding the cable out straight so that I can twist this. And that's good. Oh, there we go. In there a little bit more. All right. I was told hand tight's good by the customer service girl at Andersen Hitch, but to get the other one off, I did have to use the vice grips just a little bit. Now I'm not tweaking it, putting just a little pressure on it. I want a little bit tighter than my old feeble hands. We got that. Now we're going to come back here to the other end, and we're going to make sure the pin goes in. Look underneath, make sure it goes all the way across, which it does. So now it's working beautifully. And now all we have to do is take this end back around here, and with my screws, mount it right there. Screws. While I'm doing this, I'm just going to tell you that my visit at the Andersen plant was wonderful, very friendly and helpful. This is hard to do with the gloves on, but we had pellet snow just about an hour ago, and it is still in the 30s here. All right, got one started. I'll get the second one in. Camera and shoot straight up. You should be able to see the pin. Moving back and forth, that's the locking pin. There we go. One locking pin cable removed. Simple as that. 5